Who's a good doggy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy, Thunder? Yeah. Who's a good boy? Who's a good freaking horse flies? Who's a big boy? Who's a big strong boy? Who's a good girl, Rain? Who's a good girl? Good girl, Rain. Want me to spray you with the hose? Yeah? Yay! Horsey! Ho ho ho! Yeah. Who's a good doggy? Who's a good doggies? Who's a good girl, Rain? Good girl! Who's a good girl? Who's a good little doggy? Yeah. Who's a good girl? What's that? Is he drinking water? You're drinking some nice good horsey water. Yeah. Who's a good doggies? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yay. Yeah. Who's a good doggies? Good boys. Good girl. Yeah. Who's a good girl? I know. Soon those little doggy flies are gonna leave. Just a few more weeks. Yeah, don't worry. It's coming. Yes.